ladies and gentlemen. This is Captain Park speaking. Welcome aboard. This flight is bound for Bangkok International Airport. Our flight time is 5 hours and we expect to land at 11:30 p.m. on Friday, 2nd of October 2020. The time difference between Bangkok and Korea is 2 hours. The current temperature at Bangkok is 30 degrees and is partly cloudy. We expect general good weather, but there may be some turbulence during the flight. Please keep your seatbelt fastened while you are seated. Thank you.